Each year, more than 500 people die from accidental carbon monoxide poisoning, with an alarming 64% dying inside their homes, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Known as the silent killer, CO is an odorless, colorless gas produced by fuel such as propane, kerosene, gasoline, oil, natural gas, wood, and charcoal. Sources of CO in homes can include malfunctioning gas-fired appliances, space heaters, and chimney flues. Underwriters Laboratories, the independent product safety testing organization, urges homeowners to install CO alarms within 15 feet of sleeping areas and replace the batteries in existing CO alarms each year. Having a carbon monoxide alarm on each level of your home is even better.
Never confuse carbon monoxide alarms with smoke alarms. Smoke alarms tell you there's a fire and that you should evacuate immediately, while carbon monoxide alarms tell you there's a risk of poisoning from carbon monoxide usually long before most people experience any symptoms. Since they sense different hazards, your home should have both of these life safety devices.
Carbon monoxide alarms may be battery operated, plug-in with battery backup, or wired into the home with a secondary battery backup. They should also bear the label of a nationally recognized testing laboratory, such as UL, and must comply with the most recent safety requirements. If a carbon monoxide alarm goes off, immediately evacuate your home and call emergency service personnel and qualified technicians to identify the source.